Banyarap haka babut dia ni ki kam sniu bet ki kam pentrim haka jela katrat pulit jong ke jela Meghalaya ru kadon ye ki so ki ba pro jabieng bat ki bela dep ajeng hikai pentibet kumnu ban but dia ni ki kam sniu rengkat ke bor jabieng ka ba klan ka ba ladan lupa haki ni ki so dang haka ni kata yo katrat pulit kalapan bena bala dep pentibet bat ajeng hikai saya ki khatwai tli ki so haka ni kaliang haka jing yelang ka bala long haka shipop tarik Mentau benai jeliu arajar arpuar Hamadan jongka Police Training School Hamauro. Haka jingelang ka balalong haka ni kesengi katanat Meghalaya Police kalau peni perthai ye ki khatwai tli so ki bala dap aji kai bat pentibet kumno bakin but dien haki jingja kam pentrim ni ki kam tu kam thiem bat ki wi ki be di jingja ki ba penthot ya ka song su song san kini ki so ki kunthop ya ki southly ki narcotic sniffer ni ki ba wat ye ki jaka ki bala buri ki drugs southly ki explosive sniffer dog ni ki so ki ba wat ki bom haki jaka babu bom kirunar bat lightly ki wepan laong ba ban pentibet ikini ki so la sedang nadu bakarta jongki kalakot sau benai bat kasempor hadu prabenai ban pendep haka ba aji kai yeki bat we ukso usong dor kumban nyopo hajar tengka yakini ki so la pentibet da ka kenhun ka bala yalam da inspector Sagar Sharma haka jingelang haka ni gesni ka bala tip umka Diction Parade K9 Unit CID la yedon rangkat ru u Director General of Police ke jela Meghalaya u Dr. LR Bishnoi u bala long kongsan haka ni jingelang rangkat ke jingedon lang ka Special Superintendent of Police CID ka Supriya Das IPS u Inspector General of Police CID u ba o pasi bat kiwe-kiwe de officer nakatnat pulit hak ni jingelang la yo iru ya ka jing pro jabieng jong di gikso ki bela dep sa pentibet da ka jing simbenta ki jong ki ha ka march pass bat ki we di ki kam ki ba ki la ban le
Sultan of the Dikshan Parade has commenced. We wish all the best to the four newly inducted K9.
मेरा यूनिट से नेक्स्ट मुख्य अतिथि को गुलदस्ता प्रदान करने के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं Next, we will know that partly.
Well done, Max. A round of applause for Max. Now we shall move on to the video drill of the K9.
And after 8 months of rigorous trainings, today passing out parade for K9 dog was organized, and they have shown the nice display here. Total 8 dogs trained, and out of that 4 were recently trained, and we have 12 dogs total, and out of 12 1 is sick, so all other 11 dogs have taken part in today's passing out parade. It was 8-month long trainings, and our handlers, they have done good jobs. You have seen the coordinations between the men and dogs. They have understood their behaviors, ethics, skills, everything, and they have done good jobs. And we are sending our 4 more trainers for advanced training at Bangalore, and they will be going to Bangalore on Monday. And after that, we wish that we should procure some more dogs, because there are 12 districts in Meghalaya, and 2-3 dogs are required in every district. So by keeping that requirement in view, we require nearly 50 odd dogs, but we have presently 12 dogs only. In phase-wise manner, in due course of time, we will procure more dogs. We have sufficient handlers here to train them dogs, and those dogs will be utilized for the purpose of crime investigation and VIP security, anti-sabotage checking, narcotics detection, and bomb disposal. I am taking meeting with the senior officials of the districts and understanding the security scenario, law and order situation in the district, as well as the crime scenario. After reviewing the crime, we will finalize the crime prevention strategy, and we will give a lot of emphasis on the training, the capacity buildings, where police public relationships, and the crime prevention strategy. Because insurgency is more or less under control and at its low stage. So insurgency is not a problem in the state of Meghalaya, so we will concentrate on routine policing.